Question 37 is about testing tools, just like the COVID-19 testing tool, using a very similar thing. So it's testing about HOMO's XCG. So when the HOMO XCG throw up here, it react with something here, and it form the colors. Okay. So what is on the XCG? Antigen, right? Antigen is on itself. Okay. So the XCG has the antigen. Yes. And what does this antigen react with? So its partner, reacting part, of course, is antibodies. Okay. So where is it? Here. At this part, there is a XCG antibodies there, and these XCG antibodies reacted with the XCGs, the antigens on the XCG. So which two is incorrect? Antigen is incorrect. Right? Yeah, antibodies are there. So the other question is about some common practice in science. We got the thing from human, or you got the thing from other mammals. Which one is more, has less moral issue? Of course, don't do a human experiment. Don't get it from the human, right? Right. So get it from other mammals is safer way to do so, preferable, or maybe easier to get more. Okay. Easier to manufacture. Should I say manufacture? Yeah, manufacture. So the answer is C. You guys are terrific. So I'm sure you got it too. I forgot to circle that. C. I should circle it. So the answer is C. Okay. See you guys.